The drone industry has a serious problem, and everyone in it just kind of accepts it. You need a different aircraft for every type of mission. You spend six figures on equipment that you can only do one or two things with. And what happens when it breaks? You have to wait weeks, sometimes months, maybe even you have to get a new unit. That's just been the standard in the industry, and we at Modovolo decided it was time to do something different. The Lift is a completely modular drone platform. It's built on three simple rules: simplicity that increases performance, simplicity that decreases the cost, and simplicity that increases the durability. All this adds up to a one drone solution for all missions.
You can't train enough for a job that can kill you. And as we saw today with the demo, being able to even see the body swimming under the water with that thermal is a massive leap forward in technological advancement for the rescue services. And the fact that we've been able to work with Modovolo and with Omada and see some of their devices come out and put into practice, it really is an incredible thing.
In a natural disaster situation, you may need a drone that can drop a PFD, a trauma kit, water, food, or notes that reassure people in need that they were seen. For the first responders, a communications relay to critical search teams ensure that everyone stays accounted for and information flows without conflict.
Post-natural disaster, communications are always a massive challenge for everybody in the emergency services. Cell phone towers are down, so cell phone communication is out. It takes time in order for our EOC to be able to get radio communications 100% effective. You're dealing with a lot of damage. So being able to put the drone up in the air to act as a relay, to send out Wi-Fi or to send out radio signal to the guys in the field, the importance is just huge. Without communication, we're lost.
With most platforms, that means 2 drones, 2 crews, and 2 budgets. With the Lift, you can just swap the payload. It's the same drone, different missions, and it's ready in minutes. Most drones in this class fly for 30 to 40 minutes before swapping the batteries. The Lift is built differently, a lighter airframe and a smarter design. This directly translates into more time in the air. More flight time means more usable flight time, which means fewer landings and less downtime. The right tool at the right time isn't just valuable, it saves lives. The drone industry has treated affordability as a compromise. You either pay 6 digits for a serious platform, or you buy something cheap that just can't get the job done. We built the Lift to end that trade-off. We believe this is the future of drones. One platform that adapts, one investment that grows with you, and one drone that's ready for whatever mission comes next.